Alright, so this week we're going to do solving quadratics. And you've actually done this before, but now we're just getting more used to 1, doing the guess and check, and 2, solving it. So in solving quadratics, this is a trinomial set equal to 0. Before we had expressions, now we have an equations. In order to solve equations, we will be using the ZPP. If you guys remember what that is, as a zero product property. And we'll be using that to solve. Property. Alright, so if I'm solving this trinomial, this quadratic trinomial, I need to factor this out. Doing the good old guess and check, or you guys can do the X puzzle. So on top, we'll go -9, on the bottom, -22. So two numbers that multiply to -22 but add up to -9, I think that will be -11 and plus 2. So I have n minus 11, n plus 2, and have it equal to 0. Once I have two factors equal to 0, I will set both factors equal to 0. So here's one factor, here's the other factor. With both factors to 0, I can now solve, and I will have n is equal to, add 11 to both sides, 11, and on the other side, minus 2, n is equal to -2. So you do have two answers, n is equal to 11, n is equal to -2. If you want to double check, you can plug your n back into the equation, and let's plug in just this one n. -2 squared minus 9 times -2 minus 22 is equal to 0. This actually gives me positive 4 plus 18 minus 22 equal to 0. And that does give me 0. That is correct. And if you plug in the other one, 11 squared minus 9 parentheses 11 minus 22 is equal to 0. This is 121 minus 99 minus 22 is equal to 0. And that again is true. So that's how you check your answers for solving quadratics. So it's basically 2 steps. Use the X puzzle or the guess and check. Factor it out. Use the zero, let me use a different color. Use the zero product property by saying both ones equal to 0. And then solve, and you will have 2 answers. Alright, let's try the next one.